Deep beneath the icy, pitch-black waters of the Arctic, there exists a creature so old, it was born before the United States existed. Before Shakespeare even died, it swam the oceans. It's called the Greenland shark, and it's the oldest living vertebrate on the planet. One shark, discovered by scientists, was estimated to be over 500 years old, meaning it was born around the year 1500 when Leonardo da Vinci was painting and European explorers had just crossed the Atlantic. The shark was so old when it was pulled from the sea, its eyes were eaten away by a parasitic crustacean known as a copepod, leaving it blind. Yet the shark somehow thrived for more than half a millennium. You might think that you've heard everything there is to know about sharks. They're fierce, hungry predators, right? Well, not this one. Meet the Greenland shark, also known as the Gurry shark. This unique species of sleeper shark belongs to the sleeper shark family, Somniaceae, which consists of 23 species of shark found in deep, cold waters worldwide. But no other sleeper shark comes close to rivaling the Greenland shark for sheer longevity. That makes it the longest living vertebrate on record, more than twice as old as the previous known record holder, a bowhead whale that lived for 200 to 268 years. The Greenland shark lives up to 2,200 meters beneath the surface, where temperatures hover just above freezing. In those freezing depths, it uses its small fins to glide along, searching for food with its keen sense of smell. While other sharks need a constant supply of warm blood to power their active lifestyles, the Greenland shark thrives in a near-freezing environment. Scientists have discovered that it's able to maintain a constant internal temperature of 4 degrees Celsius, which may be key to its incredible lifespan. Their slow, low-energy metabolism is similar to that of tortoises and giant sequoias, allowing them to live much longer than other animals. The Greenland shark's strange ability to survive in frigid temperatures is due to a natural defense mechanism in their bodies. Their flesh contains high levels of trimethylamine oxide, or TMAO, a compound that helps them withstand crushing deep-sea pressure and freezing temperatures. However, this same compound causes hallucinations if consumed by humans. Researchers have found that eating the Greenland shark can lead to vivid dreams, out-of-body experiences, and even temporary insanity. The meat has such a strong odor that fishermen often refer to it as reefing stink. But despite its bizarre traits, the Greenland shark plays an important role in the marine ecosystem. It feeds mainly on fish and squid, but also scavenges dead animals that sink to the ocean floor. Larger Greenland sharks have been observed hunting seals and porpoises, even though they are not true predators. They rarely attack humans unless provoked. Although native to the North Atlantic Ocean, Greenland sharks have been found as far south as North Carolina, and it's thought that their range may expand further south as ocean temperatures rise due to climate change. But don't worry, the Greenland shark is not considered dangerous to humans. In fact, it's so elusive that there have only been a few documented attacks in history. Despite the Greenland shark's age, it exhibits no signs of physical decline or cognitive impairment. In fact, scientists have noted that it appears to be just as alert and active as younger individuals. This longevity has made the Greenland shark a popular subject of study for scientists seeking to understand the factors that contribute to long life. Some believe that the shark's slow metabolism may hold the key to extending human lifespans. Others are investigating whether the shark's DNA contains genes that play a role in aging. So how does the Greenland shark manage to live for so long? For one thing, it grows extremely slowly. Greenland sharks add less than a centimeter per year to their total length, and don't even reach sexual maturity until they're about 150 years old. This slow growth rate means that they have a lower metabolic rate than other sharks, which in turn slows down the aging process. Additionally, the shark's deep-sea habitat may play a role in its longevity. The cold, dark depths of the ocean are home to many long-lived species, and it is thought that the absence of predators and stable environment may contribute to the Greenland shark's long lifespan. Another factor that may be contributing to the Greenland shark's longevity is its low body temperature. The shark's ability to maintain a constant internal temperature of 4 degrees Celsius is thought to slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. In addition, the Greenland shark's DNA may contain genetic factors that contribute to its long lifespan. Scientists are currently studying the shark's genome to identify any genes that could be responsible for its longevity. Now, the Greenland shark has managed to evade scientists for centuries, because it lives in the dark, cold waters of the Arctic Ocean. It wasn't until recently that we learned just how old these creatures can get. Even today, we know very little about them because they live in such extreme environments that are difficult to study. The discovery of the world's oldest shark has raised many questions about the aging process and whether it can be slowed down in humans. Some researchers believe that by studying the Greenland shark, we may be able to unlock the secrets to extending human lifespan. Others are investigating whether the shark's DNA contains genes that play a role in aging. If you ask me, it's a wonder that any of us ever die. Take, for example, this Chinese man named He-Man, who, according to his own admission, has never experienced a single day of illness in his entire life. When doctors ran tests on him, they couldn't find anything wrong. There was nothing in his medical history that explained why he was seemingly immortal. After interviewing the man and his family, they uncovered the secret. He simply took one pill every day, a mixture of herbs and minerals used in traditional Chinese medicine. But here's the kicker. The pills contained a mind-boggling 13 ingredients, including reindeer, antler, musk deer, buck deer, and deer. So exactly which ingredient was keeping this guy healthy, who knows? All they know is that it worked. Could there be something in these pills that activates genes related to longevity? Is there a connection between traditional Chinese medicine and the mysterious Greenland shark? These are the kinds of questions that scientists are now exploring. The Greenland shark has survived centuries of climate change, human expansion, and shifting oceans, all without making a sound. So the next time you hear that sharks are terrifying killers, remember this. One of the oldest animals on Earth is a half-blind, slow-moving Arctic loner who just wants to float in peace. For another 500 years, this slow-moving predator is perfectly suited for its environment. Its large eyes allow it to see in the dimmest of light, while its thick layer of fat keeps it warm in freezing temperatures. It's also perfectly adapted to its diet, with sharp teeth for tearing through flesh and a powerful digestive system that can break down even the toughest of prey. The Greenland shark is an incredibly adaptable animal and can survive in a wide range of environments. It's been found in waters as shallow as 275 meters and as deep as 2,200 meters. It can also tolerate a wide range of temperatures and has been recorded swimming at depths where the temperature can range from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. This adaptability has allowed the Greenland shark to thrive in different parts of the world. They're found in the Arctic Ocean, the North Atlantic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean, where they inhabit both coastal and deep waters. The Greenland shark is a nocturnal hunter, which means it's most active at night. It uses its keen sense of smell to detect prey such as fish, squid, and crustaceans. Once it locates its prey, it uses its sharp teeth to tear through flesh and consume its meal. However, the Greenland shark is not a very aggressive animal and will only attack if it feels threatened. Despite its size and strength, the Greenland shark is a relatively slow-moving creature. It prefers to conserve its energy and move in a slow, deliberate manner. This is in stark contrast to the image of sharks as being fast and agile predators. The Greenland shark is a scavenger as well as a hunter and will feed on dead animals that sink to the ocean floor. It has a powerful digestive system that allows it to break down even the toughest of prey and has been known to consume carcasses that have been floating in the water for weeks. And finally, let's talk about the Greenland shark's appearance. It's a relatively large animal that can grow up to 21 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. Its body is elongated and pointed at the front, which allows it to move through the water with ease. It has a dark gray or black back and a white belly, and is covered in small scales that give it a rough texture. Its fins are small in comparison to its body, and its tail is long and powerful, allowing it to swim at speeds of up to 2 miles per hour. Overall, the Greenland shark is an impressive creature that is perfectly adapted to its environment. Its slow metabolism, nocturnal habits, and scavenging lifestyle allow it to thrive in the dark. Cold waters of the Arctic Ocean, its size, strength, and agility make it a formidable predator and scavenger, while its adaptability allows it to survive in a wide range of environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a thumbs up and stay tuned for more informative videos about wildlife.